Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Sangeeta's Cakes and More. So on your demand, I have brought a complete video of chocolates. So chocolate making is an art, but here we will start with the basic things and I'll tell you how to melt chocolate and how to make basic chocolates. I've taken my double boiler. This is boiling water and my chocolate is started melting in it. Chocolate needs a certain temperature. Above that it starts burning. So you need to be very careful when you melt your chocolate. So now you can see it's almost melted. So I am starting with my basic chocolates as I told you. I have little hearts with me. I have marigold also. You can use any biscuit of your children's choice. I'll dip in it and just take it out. Take it out very fast, so before it becomes soggy. Now you place it in your plate. One more for you. I am using two sort of biscuits and we'll keep them in our refrigerator for just 4 to 5 minutes for cooling, as these are summer days. I'm taking these Smileys. You can take Oreo biscuits also, and I'll dip my Smiley completely. I'll keep it here for a moment. I'll garnish my biscuit with the dust of Oreo. I have crushed 4 to 5 Oreo biscuits to make a dust of it. So while you eat, it gives you a flavor of Oreo. We'll keep it in refrigerator for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, I am keeping my white chocolate also simultaneously. You can keep this double boiler on the gas also. If you feel the chocolate is not melting, keep it on the gas. Now we are going to make another sort of chocolates. These are almond rocks and cashew nut rocks. You can see that. So we will be taking dark chocolate or milk chocolate, that is up to you. For our almond rocks, I have taken these roasted almonds. Just dip them in chocolate and take them out. 2-3 more. It depends on you. You want to make a big rock or a small rock. That's all your creativity. So now we will take cashew nuts. These are again roasted cashew nuts. Too much of chocolate coating we don't have to do, so that we can see the shape of the cashews also, as well as a cashew rock also. So we'll start making with almond rocks. Almond coated with white chocolates. It's all up to your creativity. You want to make a big rock or a small. But the almonds should be roasted. My kids love eating these almond rocks. So now we are making our third type, center filled chocolates. I have these molds. If you don't have molds at home, no worry. You take ice trays. We all have ice trays in our refrigerators. You can use those ice trays for these center filled ones. So I have already filled it, roughly 1/3 fill. I'll ice it. I'll keep it in the refrigerator and then we will take it. So here are our chocolate ready to be filled up. I have filled up 4 with brown chocolate and 4 with white chocolate. So now this is my shredded coconut, which you get easily from the market. These are my chopped walnuts. Once they are made, you will love to eat them. We are going to make 2 of my walnut chocolates and 2 of my shredded coconut chocolates. We'll tap them lightly. And fill them back with the rest of the chocolate. We need to tap them lightly so any air bubbles are in between can come out. So now we'll fill our white chocolates. I have blueberries. I'll fill them with blueberries. Then I have peanut butter. I love to eat peanut butter. Even my children love to eat peanut butter. Here goes the peanut butter. A little more of peanut butter. This is my multi-nut butter. These are multi-nuts. These are very healthy chocolates. Your children can also eat. My children love to eat this. Then one I will fill with my raspberry jam. It tastes yum with white chocolate. So now I will tap them lightly before I keep them to the refrigerator. Cover them nicely and tap them again. So if you like my recipes, share them with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And stay home, stay safe. So I will keep them in fridge now and we will be back within 5 minutes. So these are our chocolates today. Marigold chocolate biscuit, Little Heart chocolate biscuit, Oreo coated Smiley. These are your rocks, almond rocks and cashew nut rocks, and these are center filled chocolates. Enjoy your chocolates. Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay home.